My name is David Figs, and I just bought a 2024 Ford Ranger Raptor, baby! If you guys are new to the channel and don't know who I am, I've been making videos the past few years, and I used to own a 2019 F-150 Raptor, a Gen 2 Raptor. I'll put videos in the link below. That's what opened my eyes to this off-roading community and high-speed off-roading community. After owning that truck for about a year, I realized, hey, I want a V8. I want to beat the wheels off the truck. I want to modify it the way I want. And instead of paying $60,000, $70,000, $80,000 for a Gen 2 Raptor, why not get a Gen 1 Raptor? And that's what I did. And for the past, 3 or 4 years, I've owned and off-roaded a Gen 1 Raptor. Today is a very special day because I just drove for the first 3 miles my 2024 Ford Ranger Raptor. Let's get it! All right, baby! First drive, first turn on. Oh my goodness. So let me fix the mirrors. Mirrors are good. Oh my goodness. I can't believe this. Let's get the AC going a little bit here. 12 miles. It's got 12 miles. I already put it in Baja exhaust. Okay. So first thing, initial impressions. The quality of interior in here is unbelievable. The touch points, the steering wheel, everything so far, and I'm sure you guys can hear it, feels amazing. It absolutely does. And listen, I'm the first to say Ford's quality control is questionable at best at times, but I am blown away with what this looks like so far. So let me navigate the screen a little bit. Apple CarPlay. Does this have, let me turn off. Let's make sure that it doesn't talk.
Wow. You can change navigation volume with your car's control.
I guess we're gonna find out together. I got about 8 hours to drive, and you guys are coming along for everything. So I am going to reset the trip. Hold OK to reset. Reset. Okay, trip reset. Let's see, how do I go through the other screens? I'm gonna get rid of trip 2 as well. Okay. Fuel economy, auto stop start, seat belts, driver assistance, trip 1. How do I look at... I don't know how to see the tire pressures. This is unbelievable. I can't believe this. I am beyond excited. You can hear it, I'm sure. Auto stop start, I definitely want to turn that off. I don't know how. Cruise control, no, that's not what I want. How do you turn off? That's not it, that's not what I want. I don't know how to turn it off. It's all right, we're going through this together. And I got 8 hours. Wow. So, everything is a normal except for the exhaust because I want to hear it. I can't even feel the shifts. Initial impression, just driving off the lot from buying it, I have not felt a shift yet. Steering feels a little heavy. I don't know if you're able to change the steering. It does feel heavy. This is unbelievable. I can't believe this. I am so excited. Holy cow. I can't believe this. Has a speed limit. There's no heads-up display. Steering, okay, so I can change the steering. Normal, comfort. Oh, it feels much lighter. Probably go comfort. That's what I've learned to enjoy in my Shelby. Shifters feel nice. I gotta fluctuate the speed, so no cruise control in this drive whatsoever. This is crazy. I can't believe it. This feels so good. Everything feels so good. So I want to talk through my initial impressions. I've talked about the touch and feel, how everything feels really, really nice. The seats are extremely comfortable. The bolstering is up top, not down low. And why that matters is people that have big hips, big butts, all of that, sometimes, like in my Shelby, can get pretty uncomfortable pretty quickly. But this is all upper body, right? So what it does is when you're sliding the truck, moving the truck off-road, this is gonna keep you planted, but it's very, very comfortable thus far. The other thing I wanna call out is I've owned a lot of cars over the past years. This is the first new vehicle that I purchased since 2019 when I bought my Gen 2 Raptor. And this is by far the best purchase experience that I've ever had. If you guys are in the market for any Ford product, especially a Raptor Ranger, I'm gonna put up the information of my sales rep, Mikal, at Woodhouse Ford here in Blair, Nebraska, which is just outside of Omaha. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I was in and out in probably 15 minutes. I can't believe it. Couldn't recommend them anymore. But this truck, oh my goodness, this is crazy. This is crazy. If this is the first time you guys are watching my channel, I have experience with the Gen 2 Raptor, Gen 1 Raptor, now this Ranger Raptor. As of right now, this does not compare to a Gen 1 Raptor. And the reason why I say that is because of the technology, the huge screen, the touch and feel of it. I mean, we're talking about 10 years difference, right? My Gen 1 Raptor was a 2014 special edition. This is a 2024 Ranger Raptor. Digital display, everything about it feels way more modern, right? So immediately it feels completely different. From an off-roading perspective, I'm not there yet, right? Like I just hit 20 miles on this, but I'm very excited to compare that and feel the difference, because I do have trips coming up. I am going to be off-roading this. As soon as I hit 1,000 miles on this thing, it's going to be hitting dirt. I'm going to go through all the ownership experience, my initial impressions. The next video that's going to be posted is going to be about this specific road trip. I have about 600 miles in this thing to get home, so I'm going to get real world MPG. I'm going to get real world comfort. I've done really long road trips in my Gen 2 and my Gen 1. I have videos of that on my channel. So I'm excited to see the difference. I'm excited to see how this all feels, the MPGs. Right now, in the first 10 miles, I'm getting about 16 MPGs, and I'm, you know, going 70 to 80 miles an hour. But this feels incredible. I am so excited. I have a lot of big news for this channel. I already have parts that are gonna go on this truck. I'm gonna have a link down below to some of the companies that I'm working with that either are helping me with product or giving you guys discount codes for free shipping, percentages off. If you guys want to support this channel and be along for the ride, please subscribe. There's gonna be a ton of content on this. I also race my 2017 Shelby GT 350R. So if you guys are interested in that, I'll be having content around that as well. I'm rambling at this point, but this is unbelievable. I can't believe it. I'm so excited. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more. Peace.